Hi guys, my name is JWinder, and this is our Mod 1 personal intro for EDL 853. A little bit about me and who I am personally. I'm a 2002 graduate of Troy High School in Troy, Kansas. I've been happily married to my wife, Callie, here for 14 years. Callie and I enjoy the outdoors and enjoy staying active. My personal hobbies include golfing and biking. Callie and I just recently moved back to the Troy and Highland, Kansas area with plans to build a home, hopefully soon. A little bit about me and who I am professionally. I'm a graduate of Missouri Western State University with a bachelor's degree in physical education. I'm currently in my 14th year teaching physical education and coaching in the Wathena and Riverside School District in Northeast Kansas. Uh, my favorite part of this profession, like many of you, I'm sure, is building relationships with my students and the staff I work with. It's my daily goal to make a positive impact on every student I encounter. Let's look here at the inclusive culture. What a school leader's role is in the inclusive culture. Number one, I believe it's very important for a school leader to maintain a friendly atmosphere. Number two, while doing that, you're including all students, parents, and staff to create a respectful school community. And I think that will kind of goes with your friendly atmosphere there. What do you do if this inclusive culture doesn't exist? First of all, I think it's important to build healthy relationships throughout the school and the community with all your students, all your staff, all your stakeholders. Kind of create a positive relationship with every single person. And then I think by doing that, you're going to build community and you're going to get everyone involved, and hopefully they will join you in your quest to create an inclusive culture. I think once they see your vision and what you're about, I think they'll be on board. What support can a school leader provide to encourage advocacy? I think number one kind of goes back to building those positive relationships with each student. I think by doing that, you show them you care about them and you show them that they are valued. Um, Number two, I think you need to create an inclusive school community for all students. Um, every student needs to know that they matter. Every student needs to know that their learning is important and their journey through your school is important. Number three, to provide supports and services for all students to be successful. I mean, I think that's the ultimate goal. Once each student knows you care and they know you're willing to provide them with anything imaginable to help them be successful and to learn and grow, I think that's what it's all about. Advocating for each kid, no matter what. Plans and strategies to ensure equitable treatment in an inclusive culture. Number one, this first um, bullet point here, I think, is super important. I think it's important as a leader to adopt an inclusive vision that becomes your school's belief system. It's an attitude that you have and you show everyone else, and it's a disposition that you have, and it becomes the disposition and the attitude and the belief of your whole school. You hopefully get your staff to buy in, your stakeholders to buy in, and your students to buy in. Once you do that, it's about providing supports for all students to meet each of their needs. It could be a special, learning program for them to help them be successful. Number three would be to prepare teachers with professional learning and training so that they are prepared to support each student um, no matter who they are and what they bring to your classroom every day. Steps to changing and negative assumptions in an inclusive culture. First of all, I think you need to take a community approach, get everyone involved in your inclusive culture and your vision, like we've talked about before. Um, Again, provide proper training for teachers so they can continue to learn and grow. And then three, create time and a space for healthy collaboration for your teachers and healthy and safe discussions for your students. Here are my references. Hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to learning alongside you all. Take care.